So here again is our reminder of where we're at in the project. Today we're going to turn the upper plate. First, cut a piece of oak to the width of the segments. Set up the wedgie sled again with the stop for the correct lengths of the segments. Here I'm just double checking to make sure the length is correct. And then just cut 8 of these. And a dry fit. Get the zip ties ready. And the glue up. Now we can mount it on the lathe and true up the face. And make sure it's flat. Next I'm going to put it on the mandrel to turn the top. Then I'll just use this block to hold it on. Mark for the correct diameter. And use a little template to make sure I'm following the plan. Then I can flip it around and turn the bottom side. I'm going to do the finish on the top side later. I have the sanding sealer on here. And now the Yorkshire grit. And the friction polish. Now I can put it back on the jumbo jaws and turn the mortise that will fit the center post tenon. Almost there. Okay, that's a good fit. And back on the mandrel to do most of the finishing on the top side. Now I need to create that little button that's going to fill the hole in the center. Then the power went out and I had to take a break. Okay, back to work. I need a good tight fit here. So after I got it glued on, it didn't run perfectly true, as you can see, but I was only working on the center, so it really didn't matter that much. And that's it for this part. Stay tuned for the next video in the series.